Alright, it's about 30-something degrees out here. I haven't started the Cadillac up in a while since I put it away. Usually in the off season I start it up just to get the fluids going. So I thought you guys get a kick out of the cold start. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start her up. Let's go ahead and open the garage door. I actually just had the Cadillac repainted recently. Alright, let's see if she'll start. Give her a few pumps. There she goes. And yeah, she still has exhaust problems. I need a new exhaust on it. Eventually I'm going to do dual pipes on it right next summer. Yeah, there's literally no exhaust on this thing. The exhaust is literally just pouring out the back. Alright, let's go ahead and shut her down. It's plenty warm. I just had to make sure that the fluids are flowing properly. Yeah, like I said before, I had the car repainted. Like literally last month. Has all new bumper fillers. The reason why I have a different tire on it because it blew a tire. But yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next video.